Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello. My name is LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very simple lifestyle vlog where I get here every morning and I try to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as I possibly can. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am the divorced mother of 3 adult children. I have 2 boys and a girl. I am a United States Navy veteran. I'm also a surgical tech. I am disabled and I work full-time here now from my home. I am a hustler. That's right, I'm a hustler. I get up every day and I work. I do something for my YouTube channel every single day. And I love what I do. I love to help people, uplift people, encourage people, and talk about the love of the Lord. That's right. So this is my new intro. So here I am. And if you like what you see, click like, share, comment, and come back here on a daily basis. So here's today's video. Hello, it's me, LaShawn, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me here once again. It's a beautiful day in Jacksonville, but it always is. And I got up this morning. I did everything I had to do. I went for my walk this morning. I checked my mail. I came back. I laid on the couch for a minute. And so now I'm up working on my YouTube channel. And I got this new snack that I'm trying, and it's absolutely delicious. And so I wanted to share it with you today because I've never had them before. And so what I always try to do is tell people, look, I'm diabetic, so I'm not gonna sit here and eat Doritos dipped in cheese with a Twinkie, with a RC Cola. I'm from Chicago, RC Cola. So anyway, I try to do fruit. I like cheese crackers, things like that. So when I can find them cheap, I always get them. So right now, my find of the week, something that I found that is very appealing, very good to me, and that is very important to me. Now, a lot of people, you know, either they trying to lose weight or they trying to cut out carbs or whatever their definition is of trying to change their behavior. And they eat these things and they don't even like them. They eat these crackers, they don't like them. They dipping it in whatever somebody tell them to, and they don't like it. That's not how I want to spend the rest of my time on this planet. My thing is, in my 54 years, I've done a lot of stuff. I've tried to lose weight. I've went up and down in my weight and all those things. And I also was a pleaser. I was always trying to please people. So once I got my self-esteem fixed, okay, because that's the core of everything, self-esteem, I realized that I have to do what makes me happy. And when you release that burden of trying to please people, then you find this level of peace that's hard to explain. It's the same thing when you give your Lord all your time and energy and you say, forgive me for my sins. I'm trying to be a better person. I'm doing better every single day. When you release that and live your life a certain way, you feel that peace. And I feel the same way. And that's why I'm always excited. People ask me, why do you dance when you eat? I dance because I'm happy. I dance because I'm grateful that I have a meal to eat. See, a lot of people can't understand that mentality because they've never been hungry or they've never been homeless. I've been all the above. And so I appreciate everything. So when I find a snack, okay, that I enjoy or some food that I enjoy, I share it because it makes me happy. And it might be a very small little thing in what's going on in the world, but it's important to me because I'm not going to waste my time eating things that somebody else wants me to eat. I'm going to eat what appeals to my palate. Okay, so let's get started. This is cran raisins by Ocean Spray. Oh my goodness, cranberries and raisins mixed together. Okay, I love cranberries. I love raisins. Let's check this out. So I haven't tried them. I haven't tried them. The whole combination of them was enough to make me want to try them. But I'll show it to you. On the back of the, see on the very back, they have a recipe for cran raisin oatmeal cookies. OMG. I want to try them. I want to try these and see how they taste. If they're not too bitter, then I want to try to make them oatmeal cookies. Wouldn't that be nice? Well, let me show you this right quick. This is the back, and it's got all the information about the raisins and cranberries, and as well as the recipe. And this is the front of the package, which shows you, you know, what you're buying, what you're getting. And again, they're pretty good. So back to the review. And I want to try to make them oatmeal cookies. Wouldn't that be nice? I'm not a baker. I never have been a baker. I never was good at it, but I always keep trying. But these, let's see what it says on here. It say craisins. That's what they call them. They call them dried cranberries and raisins. It says it's great for salads and great for baking recipes. And then on the back it says peanut free, gluten free, everything free. So let's just check for expiration dates. February 2025. So these are good. Again, it's a recipe on the back, and it says about 3 servings per container, calories 130, no fat, no sodium. And it say 1/4 of a cup is a serving. So let's go ahead and open this. Oh, and this is resealable. Yeah, it's a thing right here. It's resealable. So that's good, because you know me, I always put stuff up for the next. Ooh, strong. All right, can you see that? They're a little hard for me. A little bitter. Let's try another one. Yeah. Because they dried, so they not soft. But I guess if you bake with them, they would be okay. They would soften up. We'll get a cluster of them. See that? It just tastes like, you know how you drink regular cranberry juice with nothing in it, and then you take a really good sip of it, and then you have like an aftertaste of the cranberries because they're so strong. But when you do cran grape or cran apple, you don't have that. You don't have that aftertaste because of the apple juice or the grapefruit juice or whatever. That's exactly what is going on here. So these are okay to snack on, but I don't like to chew things that's really hard because of my teeth. And I probably wouldn't buy these again. They are good. They are good, but it could be another brand that's not as hard. Put in the comment section for me if you've tried these before. Let's make sure this closed. Yeah, it closes right back up. It reseals. And I just thought of an idea. These probably would be good with oatmeal. Just regular oatmeal or like a bowl of oatmeal. So obviously I'm not going to waste these. I'm going to eat them. But I'm not going to sit and eat them out the bag. So that wouldn't be a choice I'd do. I would mix them with something. And again, I said I was going to try to bake. So we can save these. But again, these are craisins. Cranberries and raisins mixed together. But again, it's a little hard for me. And so I guess they're 2 thumbs up because the flavor is good. Flavor is always important. But it's always a way to make things work. So like I said, if you bake with them, they soften up in the cookie dough. And if they're hot, when you bite into them, it probably melts right into your mouth. I don't know. I ain't never made them. And again, I am not a good baker. So I always bring to light and tell you about different things that I find, because They're the find of the week, or they're the snack that I have chose to snack on. And I'm glad you decided to join me here once again for the craisins, the raisins and cranberries mixed together, which is my first time tasting the combination together. And again, there's the delicious. They are just a little bit too hard for me. And so that's my review of them. I always just do these non-formal ones because I'm not trying to sell anything to you. But if it's something that I've never had before, I'm always checking it out. I'm always quick to share because it just would save people a lot of time. Because a lot of people, like with bad teeth or have difficulty swallowing or difficulty chewing, when they you do a video and you tell them, oh, it's a little hard, then they might be like, oh, I don't think I'm gonna try those, or those might not work for me. So I think that anything you do with your heart in it and trying to be helpful is a good thing. Okay, so that's it. No more preachy. That is our review of the Craisins by Ocean Spray. Now, at this point, I like to breathe in and breathe out to get my day started. You don't have to, but I do it because it makes me feel better, okay? Breathe in, breathe out. Ooh, we thank you, Father God, for another day. We are grateful that you woke us up this morning. We are grateful that we have food to eat, Father God. We are grateful that we have this roof over our head, and so we thank you. So wherever you're headed today, to work, to school, or maybe you have a doctor's appointment, wherever you have to go today, be happy, be joyful, and put a smile on your face. And remember that there is always somebody worse off than you, okay? Think about that. So have a good day, have a blessed day, and remember, God loves you, and so do I. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.